Let me ask you something. What if you could go to bed and literally wake up richer? I'm not talking about luck or crypto, but real workflows that quietly earn while you sleep. Today, you'll see 3 simple AI systems that do exactly that. One for content creators, one for digital product sellers, and one for freelancers. Stick around until the end, because I'll also show you which one scales the fastest. This is Purposefully AI, where we turn smart tools into smart income. Let's get started. Our first workflow is the AI content repurposer. Imagine turning long podcasts or YouTube videos into viral short clips automatically. This workflow is perfect for creators who want to maximize their reach and engagement by transforming existing long-form content into engaging short-form videos. Here's how this workflow operates. First, transcribe your video or podcast. Then, paste the transcript into ChatGPT and ask it to summarize into 5 short viral hooks with captions and timestamps. ChatGPT gives you ready-to-use bite-sized segments. Next, drop those summaries into Pictory or Canva's Magic Studio to generate video snippets automatically. Upload them as shorts, reels, or TikToks, adding your affiliate or channel link. Once you've built a library, use Zapier or Google Drive to post them while you sleep, earning ad revenue and affiliate clicks on autopilot. Our second workflow is the digital template store. This one is perfect if you like designing or organizing things. The core idea here is to create templates once and sell them forever. You build a digital asset, and it generates passive income. Here's the setup. Ask ChatGPT to brainstorm 10 template ideas for busy professionals, like a Notion planner or a budget tracker. Design them quickly in Canva or Notion, then let ChatGPT write the product description and Etsy title for you. Upload your templates to Etsy or Gumroad, and set Zapier to automatically deliver the file after each purchase. You don't need inventory or customer service at 2 a.m. Your store runs on autopilot, and your templates quietly sell while you're asleep. Add one extra touch. Schedule Pinterest or Instagram posts with Buffer or Later to keep traffic coming in every night. Now, for those who want predictable, recurring income, let's talk about the AI writing agency on autopilot. Build a simple one-page website on Card or Notion. Add a headline that says, "Get weekly blog posts written by AI, delivered automatically." This sets the stage for predictable, recurring income. Every time someone fills out the form, Zapier triggers ChatGPT to generate the article, Grammarly polishes it, and Gmail sends it to your client. Payments happen through Stripe, completely hands-off. Your clients wake up to new content in their inbox, and you wake up to cleared payments. It's a true money-while-you-sleep business, powered entirely by automation. Let's quickly recap those workflows. Workflow 1, repurpose content with AI. Workflow 2, sell templates that run on autopilot. And Workflow 3, automate writing services for recurring revenue. You don't need big teams, fancy degrees, or coding skills, just the right mix of AI tools and a system that repeats itself. Set them up once, let them run, and let the results compound overnight. If you found this helpful, download your free AI Money Starter Kit below. It includes the exact prompts and templates used in today's workflows, plus a 1-hour plan to make your first $50 with AI. Then, subscribe for daily videos, where we build real income streams one workflow at a time. This is Purposefully AI Simple Systems. Real income,